A traumatic incident sends James Boehm to the hospital. He wakes up blind.
I really didn't know anyone who was blind. I didn't really know much about mental health because I always was the strong person, the one that everyone went to for, help.
The young entrepreneur who started a business in high school customizing cars, now rebuilding his life.
And so I just remember about the third day when I was in the hospital, my father walked in and I told my dad, I said, Dad, I realize I've got two choices. I can either be a bump on a log and have people feel sorry for me and take care of me the rest of my life, or two, I can man up and take this on and figure out how I'm going to be independent again.
He launched a business customizing canes, earned an undergrad degree, then came to Vanderbilt Peabody College, working on a master's in clinical mental health counseling.
So that's just kind of like been a part of my life, is just being very determined and passionate and not letting anything slow me down.
While working toward his master's degree, his clients inspired another calling, creating the nonprofit You Cane Give.
So I met this one guy from Nigeria, and he said, a folding cane in my country is about $150 US, which is about a month's worth of rent or food.
So James and his canes headed to Africa.
Wow, it was life-changing.
So when you get to the edge, you're kind of feeling tap, tap.
You have people in these countries that they don't have the tools or the training to help them be independent and successful. So a lot of them end up staying home.
James and his partners gave canes an education on how to live independently.
And when the cane hits air, well, by golly, you're at the top. Go down.
And even though I can't see, I could see it. I could just see and feel the smiles on the people's faces when they had their cane and they were learning how to use it.
James Allen Boehm.
Now with a Vanderbilt graduate degree, James is working with people who are recovering from traumatic injuries, using his own experience to help others.
A lot of times when people hear the word blind, they think of, well, this person's disabled, they're not gonna be able to be independent, they won't be able to have a family. But, I embrace my blindness. It's a part of who I am. I'm ready to do it. I feel like I'm fully equipped and prepared to do what I can to make a difference.